Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials and topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can airdrop from one iPhone to another. So first and foremost, you're going to make sure the other iPhone does have their airdrop feature on. So after you know that the other iPhone does have their airdrop feature on, you want to select the picture or the video or file that you want to airdrop. After that, you want to open up that file. Once you open up the file, over here we have this square with the outwards. That's basically the share button on an iPhone. You want to press on that button and then you want to press on airdrop, and then that's gonna basically, so you're just gonna follow the screen, and then there's this one person here. We're just gonna press on that name. Once you press on that name, it's gonna show up on the other iPhone. So you gotta make sure that they press on accept instead of decline. Once they press on accept, the picture is gonna automatically get transferred on that phone. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.